Hello dears, welcome back. Welcome to the second part of our lesson. Today we're gonna cook this spaghetti and I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
Let's go live, cause we're legally stuck inside. Let's go live, and you cannot spell live without I.
First, boil water. Repeat, boil. Add the pasta. Repeat, add. Cook for 9 minutes. Repeat, cook. Make sure to check the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, slice the garlic. Repeat, slice. Heat the olive oil. Repeat, heat. Add the garlic and chili flakes. Repeat, add. Fry for a minute. Repeat, fry. Drain the pasta. Repeat, drain. Add the pasta to the olive oil. Stir. Repeat, stir. And finally, serve. Repeat, serve. It's ready. Let's try. Delicious. The pasta, the garlic, and the olive oil, and the chili flakes. This is my favorite pasta. What about you? What is your favorite recipe? How can you make it? Share the steps of your favorite recipe in your WhatsApp group, okay? Bye! Ciao! Did you like this dish? What do you think? Leave your comment down below and tell me, what are your favorite recipes? See you next time!
We just went live. Holy shit, did it feel nice when we went live.